Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So first thing first, I've got my nails done. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. And these as well. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. And you guys can comment like how much you think it would have cost me, like कितने के ये होने चाहिए आपके अनुसार. ठीक है. आई विल ऑल्सो राइट द करेक्ट आंसर. सो ब्लिंकिट से मैंने अपने लिए कुछ मंगाया है. टुडे इज़ फर्स्ट डे ऑफ नवरात्रि. हैप्पी नवरात्रि टू ऑल ऑफ यू. अभी जस्ट मैंने एक ये खोले हैं. ठीक है, अभी खोला भी नहीं है ढंग से, बस एक ऐसा करा था. ठीक है. सेकेंड थिंग दिस दीज आर क्रियॉन्स. ओके, डॉम्स. ठीक है, एक बार बता दूँ ये है क्या. कलरिंग बुक फॉर अडल्ट्स. स्कूल नहीं जा रही हूँ मैं. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. एक ऐसे 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 ऐसे. वाई दीज आर फॉर अडल्ट्स, मतलब सो दैट योर मेमोरी इज इन फोकस. एंड ऐसे बात करने में कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ना. इट्स सो नाइस. अनदर बुक आई हैव दिस. सो अभी खोला भी नहीं है because I just opened this one book and I was like, oh, I can do an unboxing video and update you guys all that I've got my nails done. Important information that you should know. Kidding, just kidding. And why, like how I came to know about this is I have like another flatmate, you can say, like, so she was using this, and what she told me, like, these help her for motivation and for focus and some pastime activity, because I am all the time on my phone, so need some activities other than being chronically online. Okay, what is it? These are adult coloring book. One word here is important. Yeah, above 18. Coloring for peace and relaxation, which is very necessary. And first is life is beautiful. Monday ka nahi hai, theek hai. Until unless your time it is, whatever. I'm just saying, guys, be happy, guys. I believe in you. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Dekha. Be strong. Be strong, guys. Be strong. Yeah, and we'll do color. So I've got crayons, and another thing I have ordered myself is this sketch pen. Matlab, I love stationery. I do not know why I have this stationery ka almost, you can say, fetish. No, bad word, but yeah, I really love stationery. It's not like when I was growing up I did have any less of it. I am a hoarder. Yeah, matlab, I have a collection of so many pens and crayons. Not really, not hoarder, but I would have stuff with me. Paintbrush and watercolors. And I am not very good in drawing. I won't say that I am very great at it, but I am not very bad. Matlab, in my home, so mummy, papa, my younger brother and younger sister, and me. So if you do a competition, so I will come first. Saying, because I remember one time there was like when you are in class second, third, and some tasks are given, like what kind of leaves, draw rose leaf and something. So parents, my mom used to do my homework, so she was drawing, and because I did not like what she has made, maybe she has done fast or something, so I was like, रहने दो आप, रहने दो, मैं कर लूँगी. And this is me telling my mom like I will do it when I was in class second or first or second or third somewhere, that I will do it myself. Sketch pen time. Believe in yourself with pink color. Okay, you are a girl. Not, see, with color pink it is when you are very young, so pink is already introduced to you, right? Okay, and pink, I'm not saying that it looks but generally it looks more good in fair kind of people. Whatever, I'm not judging, I do not judge, okay. But yeah, and then you grow up and then suddenly you feel like, oh, girlish, pink, pink, something something, and then you kind of hate pink. And then suddenly one all of a sudden you again come to love with pink. For example, like this is my uh, pillow cover, dusty rose something color, okay. Again, another shade of pink. So yeah, let's go with I will pink, use pink color, yeah, whatever. और बाहर निकाल दिया मैंने थोड़ा सा. Crazy. First outline and then do. And yeah, focus guys, focus and relax. And I think it will help me to avoid overthinking. Hope so. Yeah, and what else is going on in your life? Do tell. And one guy told me that, Srishti, you are online and you are very expressive. This is not a very great quality for a girl. And I'm like, dude, what to do? Now it has become my nature to share. Otherwise, if I don't share and I overthink and I go think of things that hurt me, and I don't think that it is like what someone has said something to me, nothing, not it's not people, it's just my own failures that haunt me. And one quote I know from I really liked from Katrina Kaif was like, you can't expect anyone else to take control of your emotion. Basically, she was saying you have to be happy on your own, something like that, okay. Nobody else can make you happy, or if you are expecting somebody else will make you happy, this doesn't work like that. Life doesn't work like that, dear. You have to be happy and content with whatever going on in your life. बहुत ज़्यादा इंग्लिश में बोल दिया ना मैंने. बेसिकली आप जब तक अपने आप से खुश नहीं हो, आप दूसरों को भी खुश नहीं कर सकते. सिंपली स्पीकिंग, ये लॉजिक, या. So be happy wherever you are. If you are not happy, try to become happy. जैसे जिसमें आपको खुशी मिले वो काम करो. Okay, whatever. इससे ज़्यादा ज्ञान नहीं देती मैं, फ्री का. फिर पैसे देती हूँ, उससे ज़्यादा ज्ञान दे देती है. Whatever. Just kidding, guys. So I got myself these 2 books. Updates. Okay, sorry. Left, right. And you guys also, like, I just blinked it, guys. Matlab, it was yesterday night time. I thought ki yeah, high time, because I saw these books with her like 2-3 months back, and it was on my mind ki yeah, I should order. So then say blink it, and I will use crayons as well. So pretty, na? 400-500 rupees, yaar. But chalta hai, itna chalta hai. I'll use violet because I love violet as well for my mandala. Remember, you get yourself a new book and you write your name. स्कूल जाएगी क्या? स्कूल जाना है क्या फिर से? No, but it used to be so fun, yaar. And it was blue because why not? Color therapy, relaxing mandalas. Coloring book for adults. I'll write my name here, Srishti. SRYSHTY. And next, Rodila. RAUTELA. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, okay, let's try. You know what? I get bored very easily. I pick up few things and then I forget, and then I get bored. This should not be taken out of context, but I'm saying, like, I start things. I do not end it on that my desired timeline. Sometimes, again, should not be said out loud in an interview or anything, but just that we will try that we finish all of it, because Now the money is already spent, right? Wow, crayons are so pretty, dude. I do not know if you can spot it out. Right, so we'll use all of it. And if you are watching, still watching, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I was the one who told my mother's sister, my Mosi, okay? Both of them have 4,000, 5,000 subscribers. I was the one who started सबसे पहले during COVID lockdown period 2020, I think, yeah. Because I've done my engineering, I've completed my engineering, and that was the time period of my eighth semester, right? And I was like, what to do? And in eighth semester there were like courses such as very easy like I almost forget my courses. Wow. Something management and everything. Little bit. I've done electrical engineering. I'm so sorry, guys. My professors might be judging me, but yeah, whatever. So I had time basically, other than I already have gotten my job. So I was just having fun with YouTube, and I told my mother and everyone told, what are you doing? Stop this nonsense. Why are you posting yourself on the internet? And your content is basically reading newspaper. Wow. So yeah, but then I explained them, no, it is fine. If you get subscriber, you might get money. And they were like, acha, acha. Then both of them started posting bhajans. Okay. This is so fun. Like, I am just coloring and I am ranting shit out. Okay, yeah. So, and now both of them have subscribers. Crazy. Not sure if they have gotten money or not. But yeah, my subscribers count is something 535. And they have 10 after it. Guys, please subscribe from your mother's account, father's account, your own account. So I will do less overthinking, okay? What I'm thinking? One very pretty. Somewhere I will just add any random very bad colors and still see. Art is art, dude. What if it turn out nice? First spoil everything and then what if it turn out nice? But this is my first one, so I will do it, with very patience and careful, like make it colorful and pretty, okay? Be my baby. Be my baby. Whoa. Yeah, and I skipped gym today, I think. I was fasting today, yes. जय माता रानी. माता रानी के 9 रूप की पूजा होती है नवरात्रि. And I will use now green. Okay, my favorite color is olive. Not this, olive green. And numerology wise also, like usually my mother will give me, my birthday comes on 14th, right, of January, and it is winters here. My favorite season is winter. If you ask me why, simply because I was born in winters, yeah, and I love snow, whatever. What I was saying is that, what I was saying, dude, I forgot. Just kidding. What I was saying was olive green is my favorite. Like somehow before then, like my mom will always buy me something of white color. Generally, like any sweater, for each year you require, one winter clothes, one summer clothes. While growing up, it was like this. During my birthday, I will get one sweater or jacket, anything, or top, anything. And during Diwali, we'll get somewhere else. So usually I have more stock of winter clothes. And the color pattern usually was white, bluish, somewhat like that. But somehow olive green color came into my life, like so many clothes. I can see one jacket over there, one lower over there. So these olive green. And then I was reading about numerology. I have finished one book in 2026 was of numerology only, but from 2024 I am following this Mulang. I am Mulang number 5. Mulang is basically you count your numbers, like add total of your birth date. So mine is 14, so 1 plus 4 is 5. Basic maths, yeah. Okay, so and very lucky color for them is green or olive. Olive, just shades of green is lucky color, right? Bro, I am having so much fun. Right? Right? No. Violet. Yeah, so I just wanted to have a little chat. भाई सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ा दो यार मेरे, यार कोई तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो प्लीज़. आई विल पोस्ट यार कंसिस्टेंटली, आई प्रॉमिस. What kind of content I can post about my life only, and I'm thinking I cannot make any because I'm not studying anything. The thing is that I'm not studying, so how can I make content which is knowledgeable to you guys also if I'm not increasing my own knowledge? Yeah, right. I was thinking about that. Fitness and gym, I really love that. But then, while I was posting some stories on my Instagram, some guy said, "Why all the girls show their bodies and they get subscribers?" So I was like, "हाँ गलत बात है यार. Girls should not show their bodies यार." But then boys always like पूरा अपना chest vest out, yeah, and then they can do this up and down also, yeah, chest vest, biceps and all that. From this when I was in class 8th, okay, 8th, I did not know what triceps were. ठीक है, I only knew उस time पे like the disco was there, and Shah Rukh Khan had 6 packs or 8 packs abs ना, so abs only I knew. Okay, ठीक है, abs होता है कुछ. And biceps also, because my mama used to like he would ask me and my younger brother, so we will jhulo on his arms like that. We were very young, so okay, biceps, okay, triceps. And so my one English teacher was there, and he would say, Shristi, some extempore was there, okay, and I've participated in it. And there's regarding some health and fitness was there, and it was, I had said that people who exercise have nice toned abs. An example, Shah Rukh Khan has got 8 pack abs, and they have biceps and triceps, because I have heard these terms and I've just said it out loud because it was just a normal example, nothing serious. I got 5th prize. And then he said, where locate where these muscles are. So I just randomly said, sir, here. Traps. I was showing traps as triceps. Yeah, that was me in class 8. So let's forgive her. She did not know better. Yeah, regarding fitness and gym, like I do alone. Like who will record by myself, my own, and my phone is almost full with all the random things I take photos of. I like a flower, I will take picture of it and save it in my memory. I do not know why. So now I am doing a process of decluttering. That is also very important. You guys can try it out. Okay, this was such a nice session. I will do it later. Now it's my time to do my evening puja. It is 7 p.m. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like and comment, okay? And I have full whole video of the process. These are acrylic nail paint with nail art in it. This is your butterfly charm. Where it is? This is called butterfly charm, okay? And I hope it lasts 1 month, because I have spent money on this. And it was one reel was there, okay, and what reel was like, आपकी लाइफ में कुछ भी हो रहा हो, लाइफ इधर से उधर जा रही हो, आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा हो क्या करना है अपनी लाइफ में, तो नेल्स करा लो, नेल्स करा लो, नेल्स करा लो, नेल्स करा लो, ऐसे 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 ऐसे. Yeah, so funny guys. No, I do not have this habit of chewing my nails, nothing. I'm just posing, trying to pose. I can't pose that, you know. How do they pose, girls? But I can do this. I can do this as well. I can do this. Crazy, crazy. Okay, okay. Tada. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you.